It's been a decade since the Marikana Massacre, and the NPA says it's ready to proceed with the trial. 17 mine workers accused of murder in the days leading up to the 2012 massacre. 10 people, including 2 policemen and 2 security guards, were killed between 12 and 16 August. The group appeared in the High Court sitting at the Mokgahswe Regional Court for a pre-trial conference. They're charged with murder, malicious damage to property and unlawful possession of firearms. But this is all pending a review application brought before the High Court in Pretoria. The mine workers want all charges against them withdrawn, but the NPA says it's in the interest of justice and the families for the trial to commence. All right, let's remind our viewers which case this is. We're joined by Advocate Dalton Tshinyani, Northwest Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions. Mr. Tshinyani, good morning and thank you very much for your time. Can you just share, though, the profile of these 17 charged? We know people were murdered at different intervals and locations. Some were murdered in what was described as an intimidation tactics to stop them from going to work. Some police officers and as well as some of those that were striking were murdered on the 13th, 3 days before the massacre itself. So just give us a profile of the 17 that are currently charged.
Good morning and good morning to the viewers at home. Thank you very much. This is the incident or the cases or the murder that took place in the build-up to the main Marikana Massacre.
So these 17 are charged with murder. Is it malicious damage to property? Just take us through some of those charges.
They are charged with murder, malicious damage to property, attempted murder, and possession of dangerous weapons.
And the trial has been set for how many days?
The trial was set for a week, from the beginning of this week to Friday, which is tomorrow. However, we are unable to proceed with the trial because the defense is not ready